Music cannot die.
Welcome back again. You are watching Music and Adda, and tonight we're in conversation with Mukesh Prabhudas. Mukesh, you were singing some fantastic song. It was really nice. I was listening to some beautiful track after a long, long time. What I really want to know, 1984, which was a huge year for you. You are representing your culture, your country to a nation who didn't actually know much about your culture. You're representing Indian culture to Africans. What was it like? What was the experience you've been through?
The good experience, बहुत अच्छा फीलिंग था। और ये भी मैं कह सकता हूँ कि लाइव म्यूज़िक पहली बार अफ्रीकन लोग सुन रहे थे मोज़ाम्बिक में। सो इट विल बी गुड एक्सपीरियंस। एक कोशिश थी हमारी।
What actually happened? How did you actually represent? What was it going on? What was the show about?
The show about the charities and everything, and one was the National Day, Independence Day of Mozambique,
which was the Mozambique, obviously.
Yeah.
It was their national independence day. Yeah.
And they invited more than 10 bands. Bands from Tanzania, South Africa, Zimbabwe, Swaziland, and I was on that time. I represented the Indian culture from India.
And how did they? What was the feedback like? What sort of feedback?
Oh, lovely! They have used more than 10,000 votes. It will be in pavilion, you know, and the crowd was in that time. I remember. It came approximately 18,000 people, so I enjoyed it quite.
I know you love your crowds and you do a lot of things for marketing. We'll definitely come back to that, but before that, let's hear another song.
Lovely, thank you. चौदहवीं का चांद हो या आफ़ताब हो, जो भी हो तुम खुदा की कसम लाजवाब हो। चौदहवीं का चांद हो या आफ़ताब हो, जो भी हो तुम खुदा की कसम लाजवाब हो। चौदहवीं का चांद हो। जुल्फ़ें हैं जैसे कांधे पे बादल झुके हुए, आँखें हैं जैसे मैं के प्याले भरे हुए, मस्ती है जिसमें प्यार की तुम हो शराब हो। चौदहवीं का चांद हो या आफ़ताब हो, जो भी हो तुम खुदा की कसम लाजवाब हो। चौदहवीं का चांद हो।
जिंदगी के सांझ पे छेड़ी हुई गजल, जाने बाहर तुम किसी शायर का ख्वाब हो, चौदवी का चांद हो या आफताब हो, जो भी हो तुम खुदा की कसम लाजवाब हो, चौदवी का चांद हो। बिजलियाँ सजदे तुम्हारे राह में करती कहे कशां, दुनियाए उस इश्क का तुम ही शबाब हो, चौदवी का चांद हो या आफताब हो, जो भी हो तुम खुदा की कसम लाजवाब हो, चौदवी का चांद हो।
After a dream start in Africa, you moved to Portugal, Lisbon, the capital of Portugal. You have been living there for some time. And when you moved to Portugal, you didn't sort of go your way, the way you wanted to go. What actually happened there?
Because of the political situation.
Well, in Portugal?
No, in Mozambique.
Okay.
Came after independence, everything was changed. Basically for businessmen, because as in Mozambique, I was my main was I was the businessman, and the music was the part-time hobby. तो जब वहाँ सिचुएशन खराब हो गई तो हमको पोर्चुगल मूव होना पड़ा.
So you decided you wanted to move to Portugal.
Yeah, and we decided to go Portugal, all the family, because of the language. वहाँ Portuguese language थी. Or Mozambique was the Portuguese colony.
Yeah.
That time.
So you could kind of speak the similar language, or
That's
you could
right,
understand everything.
Yeah.
So musically, what happened? You didn't do really well there. I mean, for some time, you didn't do shows. You were just off from the track.
जब हम वहाँ पर पहुँचे, तब लोग आ रहे थे. People काफ़ी कम्युनिटी इकट्ठी हुई थी. तो कभी-कभी दिवाली में, ईद में हमारे प्रोग्राम होते थे.
So only during the Eid time or Diwali, some special celebrations.
Celebrations, yeah.
Did you feel at that time? Did you feel that you lost from your industry what you really wanted to do?
Yes, मार्केट बहुत छोटी थी. तो मार्केट इतनी छोटी थी तो हमने काफ़ी प्रोग्राम्स नहीं मिल रहे थे और ज़माना अलग था. तो जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया था कि पब्लिक होती थी हमारे. बेसिकली पोर्चुगल में मेन पब्लिक थी गुजराती. नाउ अभी बांग्लादेश से लोग आ रहे हैं, पाकिस्तान से आ रहे हैं, श्रीलंका से आ रहे हैं. नाउ वी हैव क्वाइट कम्युनिटी देयर. हमारे ज़माने में आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट 20 years ago, तो इतने लोग नहीं थे. तो हैज़ यू नो मैं तो हिंदी में गाता हूँ.
I know that recently, just last week, you were in Portugal.
Yeah.
You were doing your show there, and I know I've seen the show. There was about 3,000 people, packed, full house.
Yeah.
What did you do different to build that audience, build that atmosphere, to go there after 20 years and create that market for you?
You know, I'm here in the UK since 6 years. I make quite improvement also in myself, in my singing. Also काफ़ी songs मेरे पास हैं, वहाँ इतने songs नहीं थे.
So you're trying to say it's just your hard work. That's what the market.
Yeah. And then when I came I was in Portugal. I'm talking about last week. तो कहते हैं ना कि people वो लोगों ने मेरा जो hard काम मैंने यहाँ UK में किया, वो लोगों ने
appreciate
किया. तो कम्युनिटी हिंदू जो लोग थे, गुजराती लोग, वो लोगों ने मुझे रिक्वेस्ट की कि भाई तुम हॉलिडे में इधर आए हो तो हमारे लिए परफॉर्मेंस करो. I made program.
I wish you all the best, and inshallah you will do better in near future. But right now, let's hear another song. Which song are you gonna sing?
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
हमें और जीने की चाहत न होती, हमें और जीने की चाहत न होती, अगर तुम न होते, अगर तुम न होते. हमें और जीने की चाहत न होती, अगर तुम न होते, अगर तुम न होते. तुम्हें देख के तो लगता है ऐसे बहारों का मौसम आया हो जैसे. तुम्हें देख के तो लगता हो ऐसे बहारों का मौसम आया हो जैसे. दिखाई न देती अंधेरों में ज्योति, अगर तुम न होते, अगर तुम न होते. हमें और जीने की चाहत न होती, अगर तुम न होते, अगर तुम न होते. था किनारे पे भी तो लहर आग होती, अगर तुम ना होते, अगर तुम ना होते, हमें और जीने की चाह, अगर तुम ना होते, अगर तुम ना
Mukesh, once again, thank you so much. We'll have to go for another break. When we come back, we'll listen to more from you and your song. Dear viewers, Shatay Thakun will be back after the break.